Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn dark mode on or off for Google Chat PC. So you can open the Google Chat apps, and yeah, I'm using the light mode now, and I'm going to change to dark mode. So how to, it's super simple. Go to settings at the top right corner and scroll down, and you can find appearance. So just select dark to turn on the dark mode. So the dark mode is applied, and you can change the light to turn off the dark mode. That is how easy to change. That's it. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in next video.